In this video we're gonna install Jana's GPS mount with a mobile holder. So let's go. This beautiful location with my KTM Adventure 390, and we're gonna install something very exciting today. This is the exciting part here. So we're gonna install a GPS mount. So let's get the mount out first. So this is the Jana's GPS mount I have right here in front of me, and then I have the Yellowfin's mobile and GPS holder. This is very amazing, I found in Amazon, so I'm gonna share the link in description. If you want to buy, you can get it. This is how you need to install this. The lower plate will be installed like this. So these four screws and nuts are giving it a premium look with the Jana branding itself, and this thing will be installed over here. So first we gonna fit it. Before that, I have just removed the GPS mount top from the KTM. So this thing you need to remove. Here it is. So I have removed this. As you can see, this will be like this way, and now I'm going to fit this over here. Before that, I need to tighten these screws, so I'm gonna do it. I removed this windshield to install it properly. As you can see, I have installed it this way and this thing like this, and now I'm gonna install this mobile holder. For that, I have these things here, some Allen keys also. So we're gonna do it right here. So first, to install Yellowfin's GPS holder, you need to get these things out first. Only this thing you need to be like this. You need to have it here like this. Make sure the thread should be outer side, and then you need to push it a little bit like this, and it's done. And then you can adjust it accordingly. So one thing we have done. Now I have to install this side to the GPS mount like this. We can install. So I'm gonna install it here. You can see I have installed this at the center, and now I'm gonna install this back here, the windshield itself. Okay, so let's see how it's looked like after this installation. This was the only part I can shoot while doing things, so I think this is also not done. Probably, yeah, it's done quite nicely actually. Okay, so here I guess I should push it little upside, and for that I will just open it again. I have made a mistake because this thing is center, so the phone is looking little bit in the right side. So I'm gonna shift this towards left so that my phone will be right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. These are looking pretty awesome. I can adjust the phone like this way, and let's do some portrait. I can open something like okay, what can I open? Camera I can go for. So this thing will look like this. So guys, thank you Jana and Yulofin for sending these amazing GPS mount and mobile holder for KTM Adventure 390. So if you guys like this video, so please do subscribe to my channel. In future you're going to get the bundles of KTM adventurous video and the travel video in Uttarakhand and rest other parts of India. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Till then, cheers.